Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Thomas Dumb Idiot Halbert, back at it again with yet another video. In today's video, first of all, actually hold on, pause. I want to say real fast, I am so sorry for missing a few weeks. I was in the process of moving my life out of Texas, like leaving Texas. It was a process, like it kind of happened all fast. The month of December was absolutely astronomical for me. But we're back on the West Coast. I don't really want to disclose where I live just yet or at all. I had filmed to get ready with me before I moved, but I don't know, like I wasn't like really feeling it that day because I'm just so overwhelmed. Even right now, like I am a little bit scatterbrained, so hopefully this video isn't all over the place, but I just got these products in the mail and I really wanted to film this video and get back on the grind. Like it's a new year, happy new year, happy 2021. I'm really happy 2020 is over, but you know, I'm very much so like, y'all are like talking about like 2020 being over, but like everything that happened in 2020 still affects us, so it's kind of like, yeah, at least we didn't start this year thinking that we're about to go into a world war, but you know, I guess that's progress. My New Year resolution is to post one video a week for the first quarter of the year, the first 3 months, because I don't know, like all of 2020, I was really working on my mental health, and I feel like what's the point of me burning myself out? Do you know what I mean? Like, why would I burn myself out when I just try to work on my mental health? So we're gonna start with one video a week, and then if I stay true to that and actually do that and build this system, then we're gonna try and do 2 videos a week. But let's try for one a week first. But with that long intro out of the way, in today's video, I don't know what I'm titling it yet because there's so many different titles I could title it. But when I got here and I was like on Amazon, as you usually are, we're gonna ignore the fact that I was on Amazon. We're gonna ignore the fact that this entire video is about Amazon. We're gonna ignore that. So I was on Amazon and I was like, wait, hold on. There's like hella makeup on Amazon that people just don't. First of all, it's all highly rated, but like we all kind of look at this makeup, or at least I look at this makeup like, do I trust you? Can I trust you? And they're usually so highly rated, but they're so affordable. Like very much so like swap meet vibes. Like this is the makeup that you see at swap meets. So I'm like, hold on, like what is the tea with this? And I kind of have some like insider, like some information, not information, like some facts I'm gonna hit you guys with about this kind of makeup and like why it exists. Cause you're like, it's that kind of makeup that you don't see at Ulta, Sephora, like you see at the swap meet, but you never see like in like retailers, you never see like online. They rarely have an online store. They're usually just on Amazon or like Alibaba or like Wish, but it's usually always highly rated and it's usually really affordable. Like everything that I got here is super cute. For example, like I got this palette and this palette is literally like full of all these beautiful rainbow colors, but this was like 10 bucks. And you're like, how is that 10 bucks? How does it have 2,000 reviews and have like 5 stars? I didn't do any foundation or concealer because I do kind of care about my skin and the way that I look out of makeup, so I don't want to put like random foundation that I don't know if I can trust or not on my face. But this kind of makeup I don't mind. I don't mind putting an eyeshadow palette, you know. We got some lashes, like we have the whole 9 yards. Like we have the cutest packaging, and all of this stuff is from Amazon, and I'm pretty sure you can find it on like literally Wish, to be honest, or Alibaba or like AliExpress, like very much so AliExpress makeup. So we're gonna get into all of this today. Let's get into today's video. Please subscribe, hit that bell notification button so you are notified when I do post. Comment down below, let me know some of your video ideas, how you feel about these products. Have you tried anything from Amazon that you're kind of like side-eyeing but like don't know? Are you that type of person that's like kind of scared? Because I know I'm always scared because I never know. But just comment down below. Let's have a little discussion-washy in the comments. I'm really hyper. One thing I wanted to say about some tea that I can give you guys about these kind of products, like all of these makeup products that I have from Amazon that are like, can I trust this? Is this safe for me? Is this going to like give me a disease, cancer, whatever? Not to get political or anything, but I feel like a lot of that's anti-Semitic because it's coming from China, so people just assume anything that comes from China is just like bad for you. Just a little taste of racism. No, a lot of these places that you see like this kind of makeup, or even this blush palette right here, that's like super basic, like 4 pans of blushes and stuff like that. This kind of stuff usually comes from manufacturers in China. Like there is a whole group of manufacturers and labs that are stationed in China that do a lot of private label makeup. This package right here is usually blank. Like all of this is completely blank. You can buy it and it has the blushes already in there. Like there's no names, so nothing like that. You can tell them what you want to name this, like the font. You can send them a picture to put on there, And this you can buy in bulk, like 500 units for like $1 each. So you could get like 500 of these for $500 plus shipping, and then you can sell it for like 10 bucks, 15 bucks. And if you sell out, you know, you get like a really big profit, and then you turn the rest of that profit into investing in more of these to restock or into other products in the future. That's how private label works. That's why a lot of brands start off private label, and a lot of brands still do private label, like Morphe, for example. Like this, for example, like you see how this is super basic, because a lot of the time they don't even like do the whole 9 with like the graphic design and stuff like that. They just put a random font and they just put it on there and they call it a day. Their purpose isn't to be a makeup brand. Their purpose is just to be a makeup lab and manufacturer for people to buy from them in bulk rather than just buy one singular product. So a lot of the time it's not anything special, and that just makes it even cheaper for people to buy. When you're kind of like going on Amazon, you're seeing these things. It's not that it's bad for you. That's just weird. Unless it's like a knockoff, then I would be like, I would question it. But it's just like these are coming directly from China makeup manufacturers, and they're just selling it on Amazon to make money off of their products, especially if it's just like a side hustle for them. You know what I mean? Like a little side gig. So that's a little bit of some fun facts for ya. I don't know if any of you cared. I don't know if any of you just wanted me to put the damn makeup on my face, but we're gonna do that right now. So the first products that we're gonna go into is this Lamora Luxury Contour Palette. Now this is one of those things where you never know if it's an actual brand or just a manufacturer. I think this is one of those actual brands. Now, and then there's also a lot of brands that just are brands because they want a private label and make a quick buck. That's also a thing, by the way. You know, there's a lot of those like drop shipping companies. Like you remember in 2018 when people were like promoting those brushes for free shipping, like a lot of that's just drop shipping. The cost of the brushes are in the shipping cost. There's also people that do that, like do it like that. So those are the people that kind of just do things for a quick buck. But if it works and it's affordable and you want to buy it, power to you, sister. So yeah, this is the Luxury Contour Palette by Lamora. This is on Amazon. I don't remember the prices, but I know it was less than $10. Most of the stuff was less than $10. So I'm just going to be fight here now. So this palette has this matte highlight, which is, in my opinion, a little bit too banana-y for me. Let me just... shit, why not? I'm gonna take my little sponge, this dry ass sponge. I think I'm gonna start off with this light contour shade because I'm super pale and I just wanna see what we're gonna get. One of the biggest things about these products on Amazon, or just like from the swap meet, period. Oh my god, by the way, do you guys think it'd be a good idea for me to go to the swap meet and buy a bunch of makeup and do a video on that? I could vlog and everything. I think that'd be so much fun. And there's a swap meet near us, so I'm just like, I kind of want to do it. I kind of like how light this shade is, but it's like pulling very orange. Yeah, it's pulling like very orange when in the pan it looks kind of more gray, right? I like it though, it's like subtle. It feels more like a bronzer than a contour, but I mean, I'm not mad at her. Let me try this medium contour right here. I think that one. It's not that pigmented either, which I prefer in contours. I don't know why there's like this whole pigment thing in the world. I'm just like, the only thing I want pigmented is my eyeshadow and my highlighter. I literally do not want anything else pigmented. It's really not giving me everything that I need it to give me. But I mean, it's giving me something, but it's like not like, oh my god, like this is my favorite contour of life. No. Yeah, like it just feels like a bronzer palette more so than like an actual contour palette. I think if you're looking for contour, I think you might want to spend some coins, because contour is like one of those things where it can mess up your face and your whole makeup look real fast. I wouldn't skip on contour when you're like makeup shopping with like some coins, you know what I mean? Just get a contour. Would I say get this? It just depends. It's one of those like, girl, I don't yeah, anyway, let's move forward. Okay, so next I'm going with this Rachel, My Name Is blush. Again, I think I've actually seen this on an Alibaba like manufacturing site. So it's just one of those things where like those Twitter makeup brands or those makeup brands that you see that like are really small and they're starting out, like you've seen this palette on their website, which isn't a bad thing. That's not shade or anything like that. It's just like, you know, everyone gets their start, but it's like, you know, like it's fine. You can use this. These names are interesting. Orgasm, Angelica, Sex Appeal, and then Coral. Was there supposed to be a theme? Angelica have sex appeal, likes to orgasm, and her favorite color is coral. Is that the thing? But I thought her name was Rachel. We don't need to question it. I think I'm gonna go into orgasm first, because you know, who doesn't like a good old orgasm? That's pretty though. And it applies really nice. Can we also talk about how like I was getting flames back in the day for putting blush on my nose, and now all you fuckers want to put blush on your nose? Where's my royalties? I'm not having an issue blending this stuff out either. It seems really just nice. But like, I recommend this. Like, if you're looking for some blushes, like, this is nice. Like, it's not ugly either. Like, I wouldn't mind pulling this out and like doing my makeup with this real fast. Like, I would use this like in my day-to-day. Now, I don't know about you, but I would use her. I would. Okay, oh my god, this one I was so excited. This is the highlighter. For highlighter, I got this like brand called LSE. Now I know for a fact because I've seen this around on Alibaba as well. This packaging is so cute. The branding is so rank, whatever, that's fine. But the actual highlight packaging, I love it a lot. Like, I love the compact. And then the actual product, like, you know that that's gonna be fire. Like, you can't tell me that that's not gonna be fucking fire. Like, you're gonna tell me that's not gonna be bomb. Yeah, I love this. I love the pink. Oh, this is worth it. And this was super, like, this was, I know this was $10 because I was really excited about buying this. I'm kind of obsessed with it. I love the pink, like, reflect moment to it. Oh my god, it's even better with the finger application. Oh my god, it's so much better with finger. Okay, I'm definitely a stan of this highlight. Like, I definitely recommend this. Like, you guys need to get this. And if you want to try the other shades, definitely, if you can find them. I couldn't find the other shades, but I'm definitely standing. I'm standing. I'm currently standing. She's being stan. So next up we have the palettes. Now I don't know which palette I wanted to use. I was kind of thinking maybe the rainbow one, but I feel like that's just like, what rainbow look should I even do? But then I'm like, this one's the most like sickening to me. It's this Eyeshadow Make It Easy and Possible 60 colors. Yeah, I think the brand name is Eyeshadow. I think this might be an actual brand, but like this was also like 10 bucks. Like, that's kind of really pretty. She's really pretty. 60 colors. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I can't get over the smell though. It smells, it kind of makes me want to gag. Like, it smells just like prescription pills. You know what it tastes like to like have a pill sit on your tongue? Like one of those gel capsules, like the plasticky capsules. That taste is this smell. So methinks we go into some of the reds. So I'm gonna go into this red right here. They seem really densely packed. Oh my god, I'm kind of obsessed. For those of you that don't know, another reason why I was gone off my channel for the most of December, I could have filmed a little bit, and I tried to. I just had a swollen eye. It was this eye that was swollen, and it was because that glitter that I used in the video of me talking about getting this channel getting hacked. When I removed that glitter, she kind of scratched up my eyelid because I wasn't particularly gentle. Got my shit scratched up, and it made my eye swell up for about a week and a half. Off and on. Moral of the story, be gentle with the glitter that you put on your face. No shade, but for this to be a $10 palette and this to be so vibrant, I'm definitely a little bit shaken up. So if you're looking for a palette that has hella shades and you can do hella looks with, like if you're a makeup artist, just someone that's been trying to get some looks done for the gram, I think this one's it for you, babes. This is a really gorge red, and I'm just like effortlessly blending it out. And now I have like 59 other shades to choose from. I'm just saying. I am just saying. Okay, so I went ahead and finished my eyes off camera. I did some of the glitter lightly. I'm a little nervous for a swollen eye again, but I did some of this glitter right there on the lid, and I really love this palette. Like, it worked out really, really nice. You know, obviously I had to like work a little bit, but not any more than I've had to work with Anastasia or a lot of other eyeshadows from bigger names. So I'm just like, this is cute. It's $10. I recommend this. I think anyone should get it. So now we're gonna get into some lashes, and I'm really excited about these because I got these 5 pair of lashes, 25mm lashes for $4 or $5 on Amazon. So you get 4 different styles for $4 or $5. Like, okay, they're so cute. These are good lashes for $4. Like, I'm so sure. Like, of course I'm gonna buy these. Like, these were essentially $1. So I'm gonna pop these on real fast, and then I will be back with lip products. I never thought I was gonna be a 25mm girl, but here I am living my best fantasy with these lashes. I never thought I'd see the day. but I'm seeing the day right now. I love these lashes. Oh my God, I'm so happy I found them. Like, oh my God. Miss Delta is shaking. Girl, I have first class on my eyes. Next up on the list, one of the last things that we're doing is the lips. And for lips, I have this cute little Hindayan matte liquid lipstick set. And this was under 10 bucks as well, of course. You know, these all were like pretty cheap. And I got this because I like liquid lipsticks. I like matte lips, and I'm just gonna put a gloss on top anyway. I couldn't find any glosses for some reason. I found some drugstore glosses that I'm gonna use today because they look really nice, but I couldn't find like any actual any glosses, you know what I mean? So it's like a set of 6 liquid lipsticks, and I'm gonna go in with, doesn't have a name, it's really tiny. It's like, I feel like it's hiding a very obvious chemical smell, but it's very lightweight so far, the formula. Yeah, these are super dry and they like sit in between your lips. I've been switching more towards like stick lipsticks lately, but I'm gonna put this Maybelline lip gloss on top that I got on Amazon as well. This isn't really a part of the video, I just wanna put it on. Oh yeah, that is making it a lot better for me. That is the end of today's video. I don't like my hair and I don't really like my lips, but everything else I really, really enjoyed. I really liked playing with a lot of these products. If I was to recommend anything, I'd obviously recommend the lashes. I would recommend the lashes, the eyeshadow palette, the blush palette, and the highlighter. I think everything else was okay, but I'm obsessed with those products the most. They like stood out the most to me. These lashes I absolutely love, and I'm probably gonna go buy more because I just need more lashes, and these are just really, really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be posting a lot more, and I'm sorry if it was a little bit all over the place and like a little bit more scattered than usual. It's just, you know, new environment, new like whole setup and stuff like that. So let me know how you feel about the new background. I'll probably change that up a lot too. You know, the sun went down, so you know, it's a little bit different. I love the butterflies. The butterflies are so cute. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye guys.